ना बॉल पकड़ के
partners. We work with partners who have a similar vision, and this is the time. I one and only Manish Gupta here with me. Manish bhai, please.
खाने से मुझे याद आया, ऐसा आपने पता नहीं कभी कहीं सुना होगा, मैंने तो कभी नहीं सुना, because we spent a lot of time together. So I remember she told me once.
I will play with me. So let's have some. मेरा sound देना तो sound नहीं आ रहा है. वो बंद कर दे. हाँ यार. Get me the ball. Get me the ball. All right. As promised, everyone, we are so privileged that we have with us the champion herself. Can I please hear it for Saina Nehwal? Everybody in the house. You can see if you pick a ball league. The face of the league, Saina Nehwal is here, and we really want to thank you. We are going to chat with her also, but we'll play first, and then we'll go there and we'll have a nice chat with her. And if we can, जो यहाँ पे हम तो बॉल मार देंगे, और किसी के कैमरा पे लगा तो आपकी जिम्मेवारी है, चलेगा? So maybe you can go on the side here. Business Box. We have Puneet, my co-founder, and try and switch places as much as we can. If somebody can get us 4 balls, it will be easy for us to play. Go. Whoa! At your own risk, buddy.
Excuse me.
Woo! Whoa! Hey! You should be happy that Saina Nehwal is hitting on you. Very nice. Easy.
थोड़ा पीछे आने दो. थोड़ा कैमरा पीछे करना पड़ेगा. हाँ क्या करता है
हमारे जो दोस्त मीडिया से उनको बताना चाहूँगा, all the three extras, all the participants, also if I can have your attention please. Every week which we do, we support one foundation where we can support people in terms of sports. Pardana Pardani Foundation is a foundation which is supporting 4,000 girl child, 4,000 for their education, for their food, and they are in sports. We have 2 amazing girls who play sports to join us here, and it is a great opportunity that you have a champion who open gates, not for sports in India, but open gates for so many girls in India to play. So, meet her. What's your name? Diksha. Fine. Okay. So one of you can team up with Saina. The other one can go there and you can play. You play any sport? Which one? Table tennis. And you? Badminton. All right. So let's have the badminton champion can go on that side. And this is a beautiful site that the champion and the would-be champion. This is so amazing.
आएगी वो तो क्या बात तो करेगा ये ना बॉल पकड़ के तो खत्म कर
अच्छा अभी कॉन्सर्ट वाली
Gravit Sports are so thankful that you have joined us because this is, after all, Regalia CXO Pickleball League. It won't be anything if we don't have the CXOs here participating with us. So thank you so much. I have a lot of people to thank, to honor, but let me formally introduce myself. I'm the 50% co-founder of Gravit Sports. My name is RJ Anmol. With me is my friend of 26 years, Puneet Sial. He is my co-founder and partner. Give it up for her. And that's of course his better half, Gurdeep there. And I always tell people that we at Gravit, you know how many clients we have as Gravit Sports? We have 0 clients because we only believe in partners. We create partnerships. We work with people who have a similar vision and who can join us in making the vision bigger. Partners. We work with partners who have a similar vision. And this is the time I would actually like to request our partner in this CXO Pickleball League. He's the guy who's a sportsman himself. He's a gem of a person. He's the man who's spearheading Regalia Business Parks. And that's how the league this time is Regalia CXO Pickleball League. Please welcome the one and only Manish Gupta here with me. Manish bhai, please welcome. Give it up for Manish bhai. Manish bhai, what do you have in this is what we were dreaming together when we did the Mumbai League, and now here we are with all those CXOs from the top corporates here. आपके दिल में इस वक्त क्या चल रहा है? What do you have to share with us?
More power to CXO Pickleball League.
Wow, super. But Manish bhai, is it somewhere, you want to talk us about Regalia Business Parks and the vision you have. You already have a great structure standing in Mumbai, which is already all occupied. You're looking at your venture number 2 and more to come in all these cities, right?
So Regalia is our newest startup from Hiranandani Group. We have a vision of around 5 to 6 million square feet of commercial real estate that we want to build in the city of MMR to begin with, and possibly take it to next cities. But what we do as Hiranandani as a group, we always believe in creating ecosystems which are sustainable, which are having appeal for everyone. And our partnership on sporting events and sponsorships are emanating from that. We used to do half marathons, we do a badminton league, and sometimes, we will take that opportunity to invite you there, ma'am. This was introduced to us last year by the one and the only RJ Anmol, and the way he does it. And I think in one phone, this is the league that we said, okay, that we'll convert it into a multi-city league. So the first edition happened in Mumbai, where you came. This is the second city, and therefore more to go. So all the very best to all the teams who have come here. I see a great enthusiasm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you so much. Give it up for Manish Gupta. Thank you so much, Manish bhai. Thank you so much for being with us. I actually wanted to start. We'll do a small chat show and then we'll move to the center court for the first match of the day. I actually can you show us a childhood picture of Saina, because where it all starts for all of us, I believe, is from our childhood. The impact we have as a child is what takes us to a bigger journey. I think you're almost looking the same, nah? The same you're looking, right? What is your age here, Saina? Tell me. Here. Here, so I can't ask you, na, Baba? You'll beat me. Okay.
Nine. I was 9 then.
तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि देखो, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, लोग मुझे बोलते हैं यार आप किस बिजनेस में हो, मैं बोलता हूँ मैं तो I'm in the business of making dreams come true. What was this 9-year-old girl thinking at that time, already winning trophies?
I think I was pushed by my mom, who's I think almost crazy for the sport, and she was someone who really believed in me that I could be someone of the highest level badminton player, or someday become an Olympic champion or a world champion.
Right.
And I was here standing with a lot of under 10, under 13 trophies, and I was like, oh my God, am I actually winning? And my school principal is standing there wishing me all the best for the national championship. So dreams were a lot, but I was so happy getting some 500,000 rupees with some trophies and giving that money to my mom.
I remember you told me once that as a child you never played with dolls. You never got the time.
I never got the time to play with dolls or go out with friends. I think first movie also I went when I was 21.
Oh.
Went out for having...
First film at 21.
21 and had food also outside. That too I was thinking मम्मी कुछ बोल ना दे. तो उसके लिए भी मैंने luckily I just asked my father. I was like I'll be back by 10:30 max. But he was like you have training at 6 in the morning.
My God.
It's not going to happen. ठीक है पापा 10 तक आ जाऊंगी. Then he was like ठीक है चले जाओ. And that too I became world number 2. So after that I asked them this little request, and they were kind enough to give me that permission to go out.
Right. आज आप हमारे साथ में हो और मैं इस मौके का पूरा फायदा उठाना चाहता हूँ, because once you meet a champion, you meet a legend. There's so much to learn from her. You were number 2 in which year?
2010.
And then you became number 1 in.
2015.
So for 5 years, it took you to actually come from a number 2 to number 1. Was that a frustrating journey? Was that a journey which you kept your goal, it kept you going? What was happening in those 5 years for you?
I guess for sports person, every day is frustrating. You go through so many different emotions. You are happy, you are sad. You're playing well, you are happy. You are playing bad, you are sad. Your coach is giving you advice, which is actually he feels is good, but then he still feels कि you're not close to 100%, फिर भी गाली खाओ. उसके बाद मम्मी बाहर बैठी है, she's like वो ड्रॉप शॉट अंदर नहीं गया, कैसे आउट चला गया, उनसे गाली खाओ.
क्या बात है.
फिर देन ठीक से खाना नहीं खाया, अगर थोड़ा बहुत एक्स्ट्रा कुछ उसके साथ स्वीट्स ले लिया या कुछ ऐसा ले लिया जो दिल को अच्छा लगता है, फिर ऐसा खुद से यू फील बैड कि मैंने वो एक्स्ट्रा खा लिया, तो शाम की ट्रेनिंग में उसको भी बर्न आउट करना है. प्लस देन यू थिंक दैट द अपोनेंट्स आर नॉट हैविंग इट. हाउ कैन आई बी सो इररेस्पॉन्सिबल दैट I have this and they're not having it, and that's why I think they're able to maintain the best position and win so many tournaments.
Right.
So I think slowly with experience I learned many things, that how to be more disciplined, how to be more consistent with everything, and be ready for all kind of emotions, and win you have to learn more. Lose, you have to learn even more, because to be at the top, recently I'm sure most of you must have watched All England finals, and especially men's singles, but women's singles, you won't believe Ann Se Young is winning from so many years back to back All England championships, And this year she was crying on the podium. And what was the need of her to cry
Right.
after winning so many championships? But that is how a player feels, they just want to keep winning even if they have won so many times.
Wow.
Otherwise, you just cry for that whole night, and the coach is telling you, relax, show up next day morning.
Yeah.
Definitely, you'll get the title next year. And that is what is the motivation which keeps us going.
The
Otherwise,
hunger for more wins and more
wins.
and more all the time.
Otherwise, you're dreaming badminton, you are eating badminton, you are full time into badminton, and luckily you should not. You feel that injury ना हो जाए तो और
Right.
career push हो जाएगा.
Yeah, yeah.
The moment you're injured, there's so many people to criticize you, and they're like, इसका career तो खत्म हो गया है. And everything depends on your performances, your sponsorships, your money, everything. अगर वो ठीक से नहीं चला तो next year your parents are going to tell you कैसे कमाएगी, तेरा फ्यूचर कैसा रहेगा. तो every minute there is stress, there is tension involved, there is risk involved in sport. But I think I'm proud of my parents to take that risk.
Yep.
And I'm proud of myself also to take that risk to move out from Hyderabad to Bangalore
Yeah.
to make my dream come true. In fact, in 2015, I came down to world number 9.
Right.
After so many losses, I was like, इधर तो improvement नहीं हो रहा है. I need to change the atmosphere. I need to go and ask different coaches maybe क्या mistake हो रही है या क्या improve करना है.
Okay.
And my father was like, this is a big step, you have not gone out of Hyderabad and you want to move completely there and stay in the academy, which is a tough decision. So he used to make me feel worried about that as well कि मैं घर छोड़ के जाऊंगी for 3 years, 4 years.
Right.
But I was like, नहीं, I have to go. So my mom was with me in Bangalore, and I'm happy that I didn't regret that decision because I became world number 1 after 5-6 months
Wow.
after correcting my mistakes.
Wow, क्या बात है. When we do this, generally, when Saina goes to an event, she's on the stage, she's not accessible. But when we do our CXO Pickleball League, we make it possible like this. But imagine right now the stature of the sports person who's sitting in front of you. It is huge, it is immense. She's the one who changed the fate of badminton. She's the one who changed the fate of many girls in the country to play sports. She's the first Indian to break the Great Wall of China in badminton. That is Saina Nehwal sitting in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. And she deserves a huge, huge round of applause. आपने अभी भी कहा था, ये नहीं किया तो गाली पड़ी, ये नहीं किया तो गाली पड़ी, और गाली पढ़ पढ़ के आप आगे बढ़े. हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बॉसेस हैं जो अपनी अपनी कंपनी में बॉस हैं. मैं आपको ये क्लिप अलग से भिजवा दूंगा ताकि आप अपनी टीम में पहले रोटेट करें और फिर अपनी टीम को टाउन हॉल पे
वो यहाँ पे बहुत दिखाते होंगे हम बॉस है, बट गाली देते होंगे.
गाली देते हो. तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ, तो वो क्लिप भिजवा देंगे. देखो, मैं जो गाली दे रहा हूँ तुम भी बड़े बन जाओगे ऐसे साइना की तरह. गाली खाओ, मैं तो दे रहा हूँ, सही है. गाली खाने से मुझे याद आया, ऐसा आपने पता नहीं कभी कहीं सुना होगा, मैंने तो कभी नहीं सुना. बिकॉज वी स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम टुगेदर, सो आई रिमेंबर शी टोल्ड मी वंस. आपने कहीं सुना है कि कोई इंसान कोई चैंपियनशिप जीते और गोल्ड मेडल जीते और अपने माँ बाप के पास आए और उसकी माँ उसको थप्पड़ मारे, और वो भी सबके सामने थप्पड़ मारे? ये क्यों हुआ आपके साथ, बताओ.
मुझे लगता है ना, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था मम्मी को चाहिए क्या, आई
वो हमें से किसी को समझ नहीं आता हमारे माँ बाप को क्या चाहिए.
आई प्लेड रियली वेल. इनफैक्ट अच्छा खेला था मैंने. थोड़े मिस्टेक्स हुए होंगे इधर उधर, बट चैंपियनशिप जीता एंड आई वाज कमिंग आउट आफ्टर विनिंग, एंड शी वाज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड द कोर्ट एंड शी वाज लाइक, क्या तूने अच्छा खेला? मैंने कहा मम्मी मैं जीत गई, और क्या चाहिए, जीत गई मैं, जैसे भी खेला हो मैं जीत गया. आई वाज लाइक 10 एंड व्हाट टू आंसर, आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कुछ भी बोलूँगी कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. सो आई वाज एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू से. आई वाज लाइक मम्मी आप ही बता दो कैसा खेला. एंड मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स वहाँ पे बैठे थे, एंड खूब जोर से एक तमाचा आया, एंड आई वाज लुकिंग एट हर, क्या मिस्टेक हो गई. आई वाज क्राइंग, एंड देन शी वाज लाइक यू कुड हैव प्लेड मच बेटर, शॉट्स और अच्छे हो सकते थे, तेरे ड्रिबल्स और अच्छे हो सकते थे. जीतने हारने का इज नॉट व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट. आई एम लुकिंग एट यू बिकमिंग परफेक्ट इन ईच एंड एवरी शॉट, बिकॉज आई न्यू समवेयर कि मेरे पास स्मैशेस अच्छे हैं, मैं रैली प्लेयर हूँ, बट आई न्यू समवेयर दैट आई एम नॉट दैट टैलेंटेड पर्सन शी इज़ लुकिंग एट. मुझे प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती थी ड्रॉप्स की, ड्रिबल्स की, या कोई भी ऐसा फैंसी शॉट के लिए कि वो चाहती थी कि मैं वो खेल के जीतूं, और वो हो नहीं पा रहा था. बट आई थिंक दैट डे आई डिसाइडेड, जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स बैठे थे, कि मैं उन सबको दिखाऊं कि मैं एक दिन नंबर 1 बन के दिखाऊंगी और अपने स्ट्रोक्स ज़रूर इम्प्रूव करूंगी. बट आई थिंक 1 or 2 मैचेस, आई थिंक इन माई 500 मैचेस जर्नी, आई थिंक शी इज़ प्राउड दैट मैंने सब शॉट्स खेले ठीक से और जीत जीते होंगे
वाह।
तो बाकी के तो शी इज हैप्पी कि जीत चुकी हूँ लेकिन उनको याद भी नहीं होगा क्या ट्रॉफी जीता है मैंने अच्छा तूने ये भी जीता है बट शी इज मोर लाइक अच्छा अच्छा वो स्ट्रोक अच्छा खेला वो गेम अच्छा खेला इज व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट यू नो
और मनीष भाई इसलिए खुश हैं क्योंकि वो सोच रहे हैं यार एक और क्लिप मिल गया और अप्रेजल के टाइम पे जब आएगा सामने से कोई बंदा कहेगा मैंने बहुत परफॉर्म किया चटक ये साइना नेहवाल का देखो चटक आके आगे बढ़ो चलो आगे निकल जाओ चलो यू नीड दिस क्लिप
और सर बोलेंगे वो सर के जो नीचे लोग रहेंगे वो बोलेंगे सर को चाहिए क्या इतना
चाहिए क्या ये चाहिए क्या
इतना
इनको
अच्छा
यार
परफॉर्म किया है
अभी पूरा रिगेलियस बिजनेस पार्क पूरा फुल कर दिया अभी एक कितना क्या चाहिए आपको बट वेरी सून विल आल्सो आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑफ कोर्स no need to declare food is already open we can see that the hydration center is that side so juices and a lot of lemonade on that side very soon we'll open the dehydration center also so that will be on that that space there we have a dedicated space there we have a physio there for you so after matches if you feel broken we'll not let you go back home वापस जोड़ेंगे वापस तोड़ेंगे आपको वहाँ पे ठीक है और we also we're going to open a foot spa very soon so a lot of stuff happening for you here we want to start our matches on time so we would like to go on the center court but before we go I genuinely want to thank you for this we are moving from Delhi to Bangalore to Hyderabad to Pune and then we go to Goa for the grand finale let me tell you that the top 4 teams of every city that means the top 4 teams who will play semi-finals in Delhi are going to go in October to an all-expense paid trip to Goa where the grand finale is happening. Manresh is already smiling because he feels he is one of them, baby. Yeah? All right, that's not bad. So we have a lot of stuff. We are trying to create something which is very unique, which is very premium. I request all the people from all the corporates, spread the word, talk to more friends, and let them know about the CXO Pickleball League. What do you feel about being a part of this? I still remember that first phone call where I called you about this, and I feel very special sitting with you. What do you feel about this, Saina?
You know, when I look at people playing here and everyone coming for the competition, I remember my days. You know, I wish I could play for long and could continue playing and winning matches. So that's what keeps me happy, and you know, it gives me that different. What do you say? Just feel of kick and excitement, you know, और खेलना है और जीतना है. And same with pickleball, you know, when I see all these people here playing, practicing, wanting to win, and I know how it feels, you know, you forget that you are CXOs, then you just want to win and you want to challenge. दिल में सब आता होगा, गुस्सा आता होगा, दिखाने का मन करता होगा, and I think it's fun. Sport is fun. Everyone becomes like a child, and they want to feel
so
that.
right
You know,
said. Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
They really enjoy.
I always say this that जो आपको खेल सिखाता है वो आपको कोई किताब कोई स्कूल कोई कॉलेज नहीं सिखा सकता and that's our aim that if we get it to the top level in corporates it'll flow down to the entire corporate and if everybody is playing a sport then a sport will teach you how to win they will teach you how to lose how to perform under pressure and you can get all of this in your corporate life so get more sports in your corporate life we genuinely thank you for this Saina while you grab a bite we want all the participants to move to this side of the court. We have our partners, Fitness First. They are all set for a specialized warm-up session for all of you. So, thank you so much. Give it up for Saina Nehwal, everybody. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much. Thank you. I request everybody to please shift. और जिसने ज़्यादा खा लिया है, अब हम